वजह है जो जिद पे अड़ी है ये धड़कने, यही तो मजा है।
So guys, welcome to Parul University Tech Expo 2026. So we are going to meet very innovative founders and innovators. Let's come.
मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है। मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है। कोई तो वजह है जो जिद पे अड़ी है ये धड़कने, यही तो मजा है। किया जो किसी ने नहीं हम करें, कोई तो वजह है जो जिद पे अड़ी है ये धड़कने। यही तो मजा है, किया जो किसी ने नहीं हम करें। ललकार की घड़ी है ये बेकार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं।
Parul University Tech Expo 2026. I am the Rakwar, Alka Rakwar. So guys, we will meet to the innovative founders and the innovations today. And first we will go to 121 because there is a fabulous innovator and founder is there. So let's go. मैडम आ रही है, मैडम को पूछो ही नहीं। Let's go. So it's a Beta Atrium Tech Expo and that's a Gamma Nexus. Look at the Gamma Nexus and we will reach first of all to the Gamma Nexus because there are tech savies are there. And let's come to 121 table number because there is innovative founder and he is also my brother. So let's meet him. What he will do. So guys, we are to the founders. Is it going anything? No, I have to record it. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Hi, Bhaiya. So, founder, hi. Hi, everyone. Actually, I know him. He's my brother. Like, that's why. Okay, hi. So, content shoot करने आई हूँ. About the Tech Expo. Name क्या है आपका? Arduino robot car. A smart attendance system. स्मार्ट अटेंडेंस सिस्टम मुझे निकाल कर स्मार्ट अटेंडेंस खुद बना लिया. ओके गाइस, सो मुझे इसी ग्रुप से निकाला गया था बट नो वरीज, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल आल्सो विद माय प्रोडक्ट. सो हु इज द फाउंडर? both of you. Okay, so both of them is okay. I will come to that after this. This is smart attendance system, the project, and their founders yes Tanvi and Tej Patel. Okay, let's ask some questions to them technically because I am a techie. Okay, so first of all tell me about your project.
क्या है कि बेसिकली हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में ये सिस्टम है कि अगर आप बेसिकली मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ये प्रॉब्लम होती थी कि वो जब अपने लेक्चर्स अटेंड करते थे तो फैकल्टी से काफ़ी बार मिस्टेक हो जाती थी, अटेंडेंस ये सब में मिसप्लेस हो जाते. तो हमने ये थ्रू आउट ये हमने शॉर्टकट निकाला कि हम जो हमारे क्लास में जो कैमराज होते हैं ना उसमें हम हमारे जो स्मार्ट मॉड्यूल है हम उससे सिर्फ अटैच कर देंगे. उससे क्या होगा कि वो आपके लास्ट के जो लेक्चर के 10 मिनट्स होंगे वो आपका फेस स्कैन करेगा और आपकी अटेंडेंस प्रेजेंट पे काउंट कर देगा.
नाइस.
और उससे ये होगा कि आपको फैकल्टीज में भी कोई इशू नहीं होगा और आपका भी स्मूथली काम हो जाएगा.
So your like their the management department is allowing you. Okay, you just have at least on the production level,
Yes.
right? Okay. So basically you do the web development, app development. Correct? You did app development or is what you do?
वही कराया था ना आपके पास. पहले हम लोग इसका सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहे थे.
So सॉफ्टवेयर जो आपने बनाया है वो ऐप डेवलपमेंट है, वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट.
अभी हम को नहीं पता है ज़्यादा, वो सी प्लस प्लस है और पाइथन है, यही पता है। क्या कि जिसने जो वो सॉफ्टवेयर का सब किया है वो मेडिकल कंडीशन
So ये कुछ वर्किंग है मतलब?
हाँ वर्किंग ही है। अभी देखो यहाँ पे आपका फेस इसमें है नहीं, तो यहाँ
Hey
पे
guys, so मैं just take a test this project. So ये मेरे फेस स्कैन करेंगे.
अननोन आएगा, यहाँ पे अननोन पर्सन अननोन आ रहा है।
Oh, so there it's unknown because I am not in their database. मैं आपकी database में नहीं लिखी है ना? और ये CSV फाइल में
हाँ,
उसी में मुझे क्यों निकालना?
परमिशन नहीं मिली, परमिशन नहीं मिली। इधर
Okay guys, so it's very innovative. And for students, they are also facing a lot of problem like attendance, roll calls multiple times, and they have taken solution. So really good for us. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, so I will make a video just for uploading. It's okay? Okay, alright. Just a second. Hello guys, I am Alka Raikor, also founder. I have 2 startups already. I will talk later, but you all guys founders. Okay, so guys, their Pathfinder is their product for academic.
For diploma students. It's
Okay.
an academic guide for diploma students.
Okay. So guys, founder na? I'm right. Okay. So let's meet to the where is this? Let's meet to the founder of the Pathfinders.
Myself, Devrajesh Gupta. I am the team leader, and this is my friend Manish Suthar and Aditya Prakash Singh.
So which department you belong?
Diploma in computer engineering.
Okay. So you got all guys?
Same. Yes, sir, same.
Okay. So let's have a technical question, guys, because they are techies. Okay. So what is the specific pain point which is like by the name and why you're looking what is you build? I know the thing. So what is the specific pain point of the user you are solving?
The main thing is, see, diploma students are from 10th grade. They don't know, they don't have any clearance what to
Yes.
do.
What
So
to
they're in peer pressure or in following others. They just see, okay.
Biggest problem.
And we are solving that for diploma students. We are in computer science. There are many domains. So we are suggesting them particular domain what to do for them. So based on marks, their marks of 6th semester.
They can upload marks from my certificate,
Both of the things
mark
are
sheet,
same?
Yes,
mark sheet,
yes.
or they can manually enter the marks. After manually, the model will analyze the marks and will recommend 3 main domains they can do work.
And pursue. For that, they are for learning. We have learning roadmaps of roadmap.sh. Session expired. These are the roadmaps, different roadmaps. So for us, there is recommended for you AIML
okay.
based on marks. So we will click here. It will redirect to roadmap.sh. It's a
Via your
trusted.
platform.
Yes, yes.
That's nice. I have the similar project.
Oh.
Okay, so one more question, just a specific for me, and that will be, yes, during the web development, you have developed entire the things by yourself
Yes.
or someone else? You all guys. Okay, so web development during the ideation phase, when you have an idea like I will build like this, and from that MVP. Okay. Okay. So it's a deployed. Okay, done. So did you use AI for your work purpose?
Yes.
Okay. So during the development phase, how much % you feel AI is doing your work as a developer, and how much you are still required for that?
50% of work has been done by AI for front-end development.
Okay. In which segment, like front end, back end? Or
Yeah, for front-end and back-end both. For example, like in back-end, in some debugging time, during debugging we used
Yeah.
AI a lot because some errors
Which
were
AI?
new.
Can you mention some?
ChatGPT, Claude, Anthropic, mainly these two. And
Have you mentioned something like existing emergent is a like AI tool which is for app
I've heard
development?
about
So
it,
have you
yes.
used that?
No,
Like
we
that
haven't.
kind of things have you used, or just a ChatGPT? or
I
Claude?
have used a Lovable.
Okay.
It's a front-end development
Yeah,
for
yeah.
reference work purposes. It
the
gives me
design
reference
was
what.
handmade.
Huh.
For only generating the code we used.
Yes.
If we are developing the front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, they are used. Then how much AI did you work and how much you did just give me in a just specify what features you work AI.
Main code generation. But then there is one thing that you have to stitch to the that was back end and front end.
I know. I get your specific. Okay, so when you generate the code based on your prompt, so you reset it. Like it is according to our perspective, what I want in a front end, we shape it personally. And then you qualify that, yes, this is good. And you are going on VS Code where you are like IDs.
We use AI as a
How you using AI. And this is the statement AI will take your job, or who is using AI will take your job.
AI can take our job, but we can't define it.
You know guys, AI can never take over. Human developers are required 100% over this.
I give a small error to AI. AI will give us longer procedure. Just we there's a small error of route, like we depend wrong route. We can just take error, but AI will pick the procedure, solve it, and that will make more cluttered. We have to use your brain for debugging.
Like there was a similar problem faced during it's the word language takes. I use Figma. I design my website. This is all internet. I will use AI to generate website. Then I will just restructure it however I want. Then he can AI will give me a mode how I will use it.
So concluding, AI is just taking our time.
It's just automating tasks.
Yes. Like as a human, if I will write code, complete code without front-end, then it will take long, 1-2 days procedure. If we have work day or night, then but AI will do it in 2 to 3 hours and we are done. That's where AI is getting to, right? Yes. Thank you, developers. Thank you.
अरे पीछे देख लो भाई, वहाँ चल ले।
Some miss happen always with me, guys. So we are leaving the Gamma Nexus and let's go to the Beta Atrium. Let's go to the Beta Atrium. Let's see what's there. Guys, come. Logan is like, will kill me. It's Geo.ai and let's have to know what they build. Okay, so who is the founder? Your teammates. Okay. So what you made?
So basically we have built in a mental awareness support system.
Mental
health business. So we have created साथ में होगा रीजनल लैंग्वेज सपोर्ट, जैसे कि मैंने बताया था कि मल्टी लैंग्वेज सपोर्ट करता है। जो हमारा जो पूरा वेबसाइट है वो डायनामिक के साथ में पूरा लैंग्वेज
for the future looks like.
मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है, मैं एक बंदा क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है, मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां